So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on Djays POLO GTI. So guys, Flow Designs was nice enough to sponsor this video and send us a front splitter for Djays POLO GTI. So for those OG subscribers, you know that front splitter I used to have on my AP1 front bumper. That was actually a Flow Designs front splitter, and I'm pretty sure that was one of the first ones they ever made. So I'm super keen to run the Flow Designs splitter again, and you know what, it's gonna make Djays POLO GTI 100 times way better. So enough of me talking, let's get unboxing. Wow, check that out. Ooh, hella keen, hella keen. I know it's gonna make the bumper and the car look 100 times way better. Wow, so here it is guys. I'm so excited and so keen. Wow, there it is, look at that. Flow Designs. Wow. And guys, I think underneath you get your warranty, you get your, it comes with fitting kits as well. So that means you already know, no bunnings around. So it comes with the fitting kit, and I'm assuming, it looks like stickers. So yeah, I'm gonna unwrap this first. I know you guys want to see this, but let's leave the main prize to last. Alright, so in that little pouch, you're going to get your fitting kit. So like I said guys, no bunnings run. You're going to get your welcome card, and look at this. You're going to get a 10-year warranty. Like, 10 years? Not even my fridge or my dishwasher comes with 10-year warranty. Wow, they must be that confident. They must be that confident that it's strong as fuck. And you also get some freebies, get some stickers, fuck, and some air fresheners. Yeah, you already know. And you know what else I like that they did, and not being biased because they sponsored this video, but they actually took the time to actually tape down the hardware. Because imagine this wasn't taped down and secured, and during shipping it would be moving around, would have scratched up the splitter. So it was good that they took their time and, you know, actually cared about it. You know what I just realized guys, not only they give you the splitter, the fitting kit and all the freebies, check this out, they give you this giant ass cardboard as well, so you can slide it under your car. And it can work on your car without getting dirty and without laying on the harsh concrete. Wow, that's genius. So don't throw your giant ass cardboard away, because check this out. Yeah. But anyways, enough of me talking. This is probably what you guys are waiting for. The actual main prize, the front splitter. You know what's even better guys? Australian made. So supporting our local Aussies. Yeah, say G. Woo. Wait. POLO GTI? I thought this was a baby Golf. Psych! Yeah, check that out guys, quality. Wow. Looks sick. Reminds me of the good old days when I used to have the Flow Design splitter on my S2K. Wow. So there it is guys, the main prize. Wow, looks sick. It's starting to rain, so I better quickly get some cinematic shots and then install it before it actually pours down. As you can see right here, it also comes with instructions as well and the fitting kit. So guys, you just got to follow this and it looks pretty simple. And it does say drilling required, but I looked underneath and there was already 7 holes, and I think the only 2 holes I have to drill are the end ones. So like I was saying, there was already, you know, drilled holes right here, so we're going to go with those. And then, yeah. guys, so some exciting news right now. Check this out. Oof. The splitter is now on. I know I said I didn't want to take off the bumper, but guys, I had to take it off. And you know what guys, I'm glad I took it off, as look at it from behind. You can see the access points, and it made it 100 times way easier for me to take off the bumper. So, you know, I was being lazy at the start and it didn't work out, but then now I should have just done this from the start. But check that out. Flow designs, ooh, that's lit. So all the bolts are in, and now I just gotta do the last two, which is at the end here, which I have to drill. So yeah, let's get going. Alright guys, so time to drill the 2 holes. I don't have any safety glasses, but this is Djays beanie, and I think this will help, you know, protect the eyes. Let's go. Here goes nothing. Alright, so the Flow Designs POLO GTI front splitter is now on. Take a look at that. 100 times way better. Look how far it comes out. Damn. I already know it's gonna look 100 times way better. So guys, it's all done now. I have to put the car back together, which I probably won't record because it'll get too boring. But in the meantime, soak it in. Ooh, can't wait till it's actually on the car.
Rich, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type. That's my type. 8 bagel, that's the pipe. I'ma ride it all night. Rich, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type. That's my type. 8 bagel, that's the pipe. That's my type. That's my type. Wrist, new whip, right around dips.
So everything is now done, guys. Are you ready? Damn. I know it's hard to tell because it's black on black, as in the splitter's black, the car's black, but look at that, 100 times way better. Oof, damn. Oof. The camera doesn't do it justice because I think like there's too much contrast, but in person you can actually tell, especially with the orange Flow logo. Shout out to Flow Designs. But what do you guys reckon? Damn, DJ actually gonna cream himself hard. So my favorite thing about this POLO GTI splitter is over here and over here. Like, it makes the bumper come out more, and it makes the car look more sharper and more aggressive. Yeah, 100 times way better. Look at that. Ooh, follows the bumper as well. Yeah. Nah, legit, when DJ goes home and then he looks at the car, bro, I think he's gonna have a wank in front of it, bro. But fuck, shit, must be nice, DJ. Wow, what a lucky guy. Yeah. My favorite angle is right here because you can fully notice it. But yeah, Flow Designs front splitter, and look how strong it is too, guys. Look at that. Look how stable it is. And you know what my favorite thing was? All I had to do was drill 2 holes only. So they use a lot of OEM holes. So basically all I had to do was the 2 in ones, and it was easy as that. Nah, legit, bro. DJ's gonna have a wank. I already know it. Yeah. Because for those who know, DJ's been trying to find some POLO GTI car parts for the last 10 years. But not many people make POLO parts. They rather make it for the Golf, so that's why it's hard to find. And right here, shout out to Flow Designs, who sent DJ a front splitter. You know, he's been looking for car parts for ages, so like I said, bro, definitely gonna have a wank over it. But yeah, what do you guys reckon? 100 times way better or nah? Comment down below what you think of this Flow Designs front splitter on DJ's POLO GTI. Baby Golf. And now you can probably chop more of 34s, not naming anyone, just him, but you know, you can probably chop more of 34s. Yeah. Oh yeah, also forgot, they gave us a few air fresheners. So yeah, let's chuck one on for DJ. Let's chuck on the strongest fuck one. Let's go. Not only do the splitters look good, these air fresheners smell so good too. Look at that, guys. Look how nice it is. It just flows with the bumper. Yeah, 100 times way better. Look how much it sticks out. Ooh, yeah, that's what we like. Oh yeah, guys, one thing I forgot to say. The splitter is so good that you forgot about this. Do you remember what happened here? Nah, you don't, because the splitter is so good that like it takes it away, takes the attention away. And also, do you remember this? Do you remember what happened to his number plate? Nah, you don't remember as well, because the splitter is so good, it takes it away as well. 100 times way better. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. Shout out to Flow Designs for sending in a front splitter for Djays Polo. And don't worry guys, they don't only make splitters for Polos, they got other cars like my S2K, Evos and Golfs and all the other stuff. So head on to their website and have a browse of all the products they have. Also guys, do me a favor, hop onto their social media like Instagram, Facebook, and give them a fat like, PHAT, or give them a follow. So there it is guys, Djays new front splitter. And like Man said, you know, hey, what are you even doing here? You're not meant to be here. What the hell? But yeah, anyways, Man said this already looks like a front lip, and with the splitter, it looks way more tougher and 100 times way better. So fuck, look at that, guys. So yep, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a fat like, PHAT. Shout out to Flow Designs once again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.
Boom! What is up, guys? It's Ricky here. Sorry I haven't been posting much. Boom! What is up, guys? It's your boy DJ, and I got a featured guest. Evan's up in here, my little brother. Today we're gonna be looking at my splitter that Ricky installed 2 days ago. He just gave me my car back. I haven't looked at it because I wanted to record it for you guys live, my reaction. I got my brother to help me record this, and I just want to quickly say, shout out to motherfucking Flow Designs for hooking up with this scent. It smells good as. The fuck is rep coat? Let me take this shit out. Get this shit out of here, man. It's gonna be a while. Bite that thing. Ah! Alright. So we finally got it off. They don't sponsor us. So we're gonna rock with Flow Designs, and we got the strawberry. I'm not gonna take it away. My mom bought that for me, so I'm gonna keep it. Alright guys, back on track. We're gonna show you guys my reaction of the splitter. My brother's gonna record it for me. Let's do this shit. Hi, what's up guys? I'm gonna check out my splitter. What you wanna see? You wanna see? It's like, jeez, that shit is 100 times way better already, guys.
Is that Usmain?
That's Usmain as fuck,
that's
man.
Usmain stats.
Shit.
Oi, that's Usmain stats, man.
Hey, look at this, look at this. Damn. Flow Designs. Yeah, and I was checking out one of the videos of Flow Designs, and they were using a sledgehammer to hit that shit. So, sledgehammer can't hit that shit. Damn, that's clean as fuck. That actually makes the car look. Hey, tell me this is not the cleanest Polo GTI. Tell me it's not one of the cleanest.
Yeah, it's not the cleanest.
No, I mean, tell me it's the cleanest. Yeah, one of the cleanest.
Yeah, it's clean, yeah.
Yeah, this is one of the cleanest Polo GTIs now, like straight up. That shit makes it look tough, man. Oh, shit.
Wow.
Jeez, that shit fucking tough, man. Flow Designs, I got a favor to ask you if you guys see this video. Y'all need to create a side skirt and a rear diffuser. Something for your boy so we can get it rocking. Alright guys, that's it. My splitter looks 100 times way better.
Okay.
I just want to ask Flow Designs to hook us up with a side skirt and a rear diffuser. You guys start making some up here. I see you. Make that shit. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a fat like, PHAT, and stay safe during this coronavirus pandemic. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Alright guys, I just want to quickly say a quick shout out to Flow Designs and ZPG Garage, Ricky, for doing my car up. Looks 100 times way better. Peace out. I haven't seen what he...